Why does this kid have... Oh, Jesus. Why'd you have me walk all the way down here?
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
I want to put this Amazon 2-stroke motor inside of that Walmart bicycle.
This is one of the most stupidest ideas I've ever heard in my life. I love it. Let's go do it right now.
This Amazon kit was a total of $150, including shipping, for a 100cc 2-stroke motor. This is everything that came with it. You can see exhaust, chain, gas tank, all sorts of different stuff. Carburetor, the actual motor, new grips, even the kill switch. So we got to get all this onto there. All right, we got to use these Allen wrenches to get. First, I'm gonna take off the cover here and put a little bit of grease on this gear, and then toss a little bit of 2-stroke oil down the cylinder, and then we'll have to take this off to get the chain on, but I'll put the lube on the clutch right here. All right, so the rear brake stopped working on this thing. Right now he's taking off the lever, and then we're gonna take off this rear brake thing. Doesn't really matter, we're probably just gonna swap out the clutch lever. So the head bolts, you want to be tightened down to 12 foot-pounds, and typically they're tightened down, not very equal, so I got a little torque wrench here. I'm going to do that quick. I'll be back once I get all this tightened down and lubed up. Alright, I'm not even going to grease this up. I'm going to just toss this in here. Only thing I'm going to grease up is the clutch and put a little lube down the cylinder. That's it, though. So let's get this thing in the bike frame. However, before we did that, we took off the rear brake since that doesn't work anymore. He is trying to shear off that other bolt because they're rusted in there so bad. I think, did you just get it?
No.
It's right there, though. Yeah, we sheared off that one right there. Got that lever off, so how to get this motor in the frame.
It's actually pretty nice out.
It is.
Like there's a nice little breeze out. And grabbing the washer. And that keeps on moving, and it's not grabbing this.
Oh,
It's not good.
that's a no-go.
Yeah, that's what it's doing. It's grabbing the washer.
No.
Gotta figure out how to get that washer out.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. I got it.
Ah, perfect. How about that?
I might have broke a little bit of it off. Wait, no, I didn't. Yeah, I did. I accidentally broke some of it off. Dang. This kid is in the video. Bam! Bam!
This thing right down there. There we go. That's pretty much good. You can move the motor up, I think.
Alright, do it. Do it. Do it. No, pull.
Yeah, that's that one.
Okay, that's what I was afraid of.
Alright, hold the bike. This is tough. That's good.
No, it's very scary.
No, though. Wait, actually, I put it in it like this. So this.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide.
We had to use this mount here and got it all hooked up like that. So it's all pretty tight. I don't think this thing is coming loose on there. So we are gonna put the exhaust on now and then get all the throttle stuff set up and get it all figured out. Alrighty, so we got the motor on. It's kind of wonky. So we gotta put the exhaust facing up in your face like this. It doesn't fit the other way, so we'll have to bend the exhaust pipe eventually. But yeah, so we got the chain on, chain tensioner, carb. We can't get the air filter on there. It doesn't fit the frame. He's got the spark plug and he's tightened down the gas tank. This is kind of how I was looking. We don't have the rear brake anymore, of course. Yeah, so put the clutch lever up over here. I'm just setting up these cables quick, and might have to go get some oil to do the first start. But I guess we'll see how this goes. Alrighty,
There we got my gas cap on it.
very big technical difficulties. Everything all set up. Only front brake. Got the clutch working. No. Got a makeshift air filter with a cut up sock and a zip tie because the air filter didn't fit. Pretty loose chain, gives it extra ability. We got to zip tie the spring here to help protect the chain or the cable. Then we got to hook up these cables with these. We got zip ties holding these on. Exhaust to the face, very professional. Yeah, almost done. Well, everything seems to be on here and working. Zip ties, I don't know what the heck this is supposed to be. It's a mess. We'll see if it works. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. Ah! Extra oil in there. See, I haven't got much oil left here. Oh, I just dumped a lot in there.
That's okay.
Very good. Very good.
What do you think?
Should work.
Yeah.
I think fuel's already going through, so it's leaking a little bit.
It's kinked.
Petcock's leaking.
That's always good.
Of course it's kinked. Why wouldn't it be? I think
I smell it. Pretty close. What the hell?
Try testing it out.
Them freaking prigs. Oh.
Alright, so we did get it to start, and it did not want to idle or start easily. We did like 40 runs on it, but I'm going to start it up right now, quick. Go!
It's raining pretty good.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, this thing looks pretty cool, though. I'm not gonna.
I didn't think that actually worked.
It looks pretty cool, though, too.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie. I gotta fix that exhaust. Is my face covered in oil?
No, you're good.
My leg is, though. That's for sure. That thing's hot, though. I gotta zip tie some more of those wires. It's pretty good, though, for 150 bucks. So this thing looks cool and all, right? And it actually rode pretty nice. It wasn't too bad. We ran into a little issue.
Yep.
So, basically, the throttle cable snapped. And, yeah, now we need a new throttle cable. It's all frayed out inside of this wire. And it's kind of garbage.
The gas tank blew up.
And the gas tank was leaking. Yeah, it blew up.
Yeah, we said that. Oh well.
So now I gotta order a $12
Oh yeah, by
cable.
the way. Wait.
Yeah, so now we gotta order so now I gotta buy a $12 cable off of Amazon. So yeah, and hopefully that fits. But yeah. This cable is very junk. It broke almost immediately. That's kind of buns, but what do you expect? It's cheap.
Yep.
But now I gotta get a new one.
It's a very unfortunate day. Senor, por favor. Hey, how's it going?
Alright, well this turned out pretty okay for a $20 Facebook Marketplace bicycle and Walmart bicycle kind of thing. But yeah, so if you did enjoy, leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you for watching.
Adios!
Ready? Go. That's perfect. Now you'll record me, same thing. And I'll say, I have an idea.
It's still going.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is!
Wait, I forgot what I was supposed to say. Hang on.
Action. Look at those shoes. Action.